The prostate is a small rubbery gland about the size of a walnut. It sits just below the bladder and surrounds the urethra, a duct which lets urine and semen leave the body. As you see, this is the bladder, this one is the prostate gland under the bladder, and this tube is the urethra which runs through the center of the prostate gland. Prostate cancer happens when healthy prostate cells mutate and begin to grow out of control, causing a tumor inside the prostate gland. Most prostate cancers produce no symptoms. When becomes large enough, symptoms like bloody urine or hematuria, bloody semen or hematospermia, and urinary symptoms like dysuria and frequency may occur. However, these symptoms are uncommon. There is mounting evidence that diet and lifestyle are tightly associated with prostate cancer risk. Because of that, many studies have been done so far, regarding the role of various nutrients in prostate cancer. In this video, we want to have a look at top 2 vitamin supplements that can increase the risk of developing prostate cancer. The first one is folic acid or folate. It's a B vitamin and essential for tissues growth and cells work. Folic acid deficiency impairs creation of DNA, thereby predisposing cells to chromosomal damage, genetic mutations, and developing cancer. As an example, low folate is linked to esophageal cancer. However, getting too much folate may have the opposite effect, by enhancing the growth of silent cancer cells, especially the prostate cancer. In this regard, a study showed that men with higher blood folate levels develop more aggressive prostate cancer compared with men with lower folate levels. So, both too little and too much folate can raise the cancer risk. It's generally essential for well-nourished men to get at least 400 micrograms of folate per day to prevent a deficiency. Besides, it's much better for supplement users to get their folate from foods rather than supplements. Dark green leafy plants like broccoli, cabbage, spinach, and lettuce, fruits like lemons, oranges, bananas, and legumes like beans, peas and lentils, are the best sources. Here, you can see the folate values every food contains. With this table, you can simply calculate how much folate you get from different foods. Among fat-soluble vitamins, it's vitamin E associated with prostate cancer. Vitamin E, once thought to lower prostate cancer risk, may actually increase the risk. Recent studies suggest that vitamin E is able to enhance the expression of various cytochrome P450 enzymes in prostate gland. Cytochrome P450 system plays a key role in cancer formation, remember. With overexpression of these enzymes, high levels of free radicals are generated, leading to DNA damage, genetic mutations, and prostate cancer. So, contrary to popular belief, vitamin E can cause oxidative stress. In fact, vitamin E is somehow a two-edged sword. It works directly as an antioxidant, protecting cells against free radicals, and indirectly as a pro-oxidant, making prostate cells susceptible to cancer formation. We are to conclude from these findings that healthy men must avoid supplementing with high doses of vitamin E and try to get it from dietary sources instead. Nuts, sunflower seeds, vegetable oils like soybean and wheat germ, almond and pumpkin are rich in vitamin E. In addition to folate and vitamin E, 2 large studies have shown that taking multivitamins more than 7 times a week could increase the risk of prostate cancer as well as death from the disease. Besides, daily multivitamins does not seem to prevent chronic diseases or increase longevity. So generally speaking, overconsumption of vitamins does not improve your health and may be even harmful in some cases. If you know any other vitamins or supplements associated with prostate cancer, let me know in the comments down below.